Have you ever wondered what death is like? Studies have shown that people who are the most religious are the ones most afraid of death. That's because they get the hell scared out of them, or should I say, into them. Christianity is the only religion that has an idea of a hell so horrible that you'll burn in it for eternity with no chance of redemption. It's completely false. Why? Because everything in nature corresponds to its equivalent in the metaphysical world. There is nothing like an eternal hell in nature, anywhere. But what about death? Do you realize that you literally get a preview of what death is like every time you go to sleep? Your dream environment corresponds to what it's like to be conscious outside of your physical body. You're more conscious when you're asleep than when you're awake. Don't fear going to an eternal hell. Christianity invented the idea. Don't believe the hype. Learn from your mistakes and enjoy life to the fullest. As a soul, that's a major part of the reason you incarnated on earth, to enjoy being alive. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.